Dear students, today we are going to do some word problems of drawing graph of linear equation in two variables. As you can see here, it is a very important problem from your exercise. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as rupees y, write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. So you can see that there are two parts. First you have to write a linear equation in two variables and then we will draw the graph. So how do we solve this? See, it is for the first kilometer the fixed charge is 8 rupees, and for the subsequent distance, that means for the distance covered after 1 kilometer, it will be rupees 5 per kilometer. So because the distance covered is x kilometer, so if we take 1 kilometer from x, then what is left with us? It is x minus 1 kilometer. So for the first kilometer you are going to pay 8 rupees, and for the rest of the kilometers you have to pay for 1 kilometer 5 rupees. So for x minus 1 kilometer it will be 5 into x minus 1. So total fare it will be 8 rupees plus the fare for the rest x minus 1 kilometer. So total fare is given to be y. So it will be y equals to 8 plus x minus 1 into 5, that is 8 plus 5x minus 5. Solving and transposing, we have this equation of y equals to 5x plus 3. So we have solved the first part, that is we have written a linear equation, and now we are going to draw the graph. We need to at least two solutions for drawing the graph. So let us see. If we put x equals to 0 and y equals to 5x plus 3, then we are getting 5 into 0 plus 3, it is 0 plus 3, y equals to 3. So 0 comma 3 is a solution. We put it in the table. Similarly, if we put x equals to 1, then y comes out to be 8. So 1 comma 8 is also solution. We put it in the tabular form and then plot the graph like this. So we have formed the linear equation as well as we have plotted the graph also. So these type of questions often comes in the exam, where you are asked to write the linear equation and also draw its graph. Now let us take the another problem. Here Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9, they together contributed rupees 100 towards the PM's relief fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies the data, and you can take the contribution to be x and y and draw the graph of the same. So the amount contributed by the first person, that is Yamini, is x rupees. Amount contributed Fatima is y rupees. Total amount is 100, so it will be x plus y equals to 100. Now you can see that you need two numbers which together add to give 100, and we need two solutions. So there can be many solutions. If x is 60, y will be 40. If x is 40, y will be 60. If they are equal amount, x is also 50 and y is also 50. And one very common type solution we can take, that is taking x equals to be 0. So the another value of y will be equal to 100. So 0 comma 100 is the solution of the equation. Similarly, if we put y equals to 0, then x equals to 100. So 100 comma 0 is also a solution. Putting it in the tabular form, that is x 0 comma 100 and 100 comma 0, we have the solution. And now we plot the graph. As you can see that in the earlier graphs we were starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, but because here our values are very large, so we can start with 10 itself. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and similarly in the y-axis also 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on up to 100. So this is our first point, 0 comma 100, which lies on the y-axis, and this is our second point, which lies on the x-axis, that is 100 comma 0. And joining these 2 points, we get the graph of this linear equation in two variables.